Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Shao here. Well, today we're going to be installing my tow hook on the Track EVO 8. Alright, so you sort of want to mount your tow hook at a pretty good place, preferably on the chassis, because it's actually, you know, if they actually do have to tow your car, you don't want to be bending your radiator support and stuff like that. So it is actually a functional part. So we're going to take off the front bar first, and then we see, hopefully there's a bolt hole where the chassis is, and then we can just bolt that. I'll cut through here if I have to. Yeah, we'll do what we gotta do. Alright, so front bar is off. Nice Mitsubishi front mount, thick. Alright, so what I'm looking at is either 1, 2, 3. This is the actual chassis here. So you don't want to be bolting up against this radiator, you know, support, because that's just going to bend. So you want a nice actual piece of the chassis here. So I'm fixing to go there. Or yeah, like that's the factory tow hook there. There's not many options, eh? So they're pretty much our only options. Alright, so I've decided to go for that one there. So let's just cut this open. Looks like a pretty decent unit, legit, not eBay, function. So I'm gonna pretty much just do it there, I reckon. So it's gonna look like that. And then I'm gonna end up drilling. So I'm gonna end up drilling a little slot on my front bar, and then that'll be it. So I've got my little bucket of bolts here. So I reckon this one will do. Pretty strong. This is actually for a tow bar. So yeah, fits. Maybe I should put a bit of Loctite. Okay, Loctite. Just a little bit in. Just leave it a little bit loose. Just leave it a tad bit loose so we can see where we got a cut for the front bar. So that is pretty strong. It's actually on the chassis, so it should be alright. Right, now that we got it mounted up to the actual chassis rail here, it's on pretty tight. So I guess we'll just dummy fit the front bar, and I'll see where I'll cut a little slot. Alright, so we got the front bar back on, and I don't know if you can see, there's the tow hook strap. So it's just above this. I've got a oil cooler here, so it's sitting just above that guide there, so I reckon, so there's the guide. I reckon anywhere from this mark up here and here, I'm gonna cut a little slot, and then yeah, it should be good to go. I'm not too fussed about cutting this front bar because I'm gonna get another front bar, so this one's already all banged up. Alright, so we just got the marker. Like I said, I'm probably going to go a little bit up, so I'll Probably gonna put a mark here and a mark here. I reckon that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, just get the drill and we're just gonna drill 2 holes, and then I'm gonna get my little die tool and just cut a little slot there. So I'm gonna start off with 7, might go to 8, and then we'll see how the strap is once we cut it to 8, and if we have to go larger, then maybe we'll go a 10mm gap. So I'm probably gonna have to drill 10mm. I reckon I'm gonna get 10, and then I'm just gonna make a bigger slot. Alright guys, so I ended up going a 9. So what we're gonna do now is I just used my little tool here and I just cut across like that. Now I'm just gonna get the file and just clean her up. Just make it look sort of a bit pretty. Just might get a bit of a razor blade and try to cut that off. Alright, got most of it off. There's not much you can do. Plastic, so we'll just see if we can slide the strap through. Alright guys, as you saw, nice and easy modification. We got a tow strap now for the EVO 8. We are almost there. So all that's left now, just to put the bolts back on the front bar, secure it properly, and that's it. Alright guys, so it is done. Strapped in. All that's left now, just to jack down the car. Alright guys, that's just a quick video on how to install a tow strap onto your EVO 8. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys learned something. Check out my other videos, like and subscribe, tell all your mates, and I'll see you guys at the next video.